So a lot of the plants are still growing into the wall. This is the entrance to the AquaLagon. So basically what you do is just tap your magic band thing, which I did already. It's supposed to work, come right through. So these are the changing rooms. You can come in here. It's a bit misty. I think it's warm, that's why my camera's like fogging up. You go right through, coming out the other side. So this is all heated. So even if it's snowing, the water is actually pretty warm. It's a pity they don't allow tubes in this, but the current's pretty strong on some parts of it. And this is all again heated. And there's a wonderful game there that I tried. Pretty fun. So there's only one slide on the inside that takes you outside, and this is the slide. Goes out this way, takes you right out here. You can see a bit of the inside from the outside here.
Is there anyone waiting for it? I don't know.
So every once in a while, these will heat up. And this is the warmest part of the whole place. Forêt de Legend is our last stop for the day. Look at this. Well, every place has a bit of a map. This is the one for Forêt de Legend, and you can actually even take archery over here, be a Merida for a day. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a beautiful spider web here. Like, this flooring is so amazing. It's like chips of wood. Super fun. Yay! And look. Okay, this is very steep. I'm going to climb this. Whoa. So David just came out. I'm up here now. And I'm gonna go in the tunnel. Whoa!
Hello, hello!
So another show goes on here. So from a pile of wood, you learn some survival skills. Kids learn how to make their own tent. This one's a lot more decorative. So there's a little door here. And this is like the ferry little enclosure, and they've built houses for fairies to come live in. Tinkerbell would be very happy here. This is the Village Nature logo, I think. Look at these. So this is the mini golf course, and quite a number of flags to hit.
That's a Disney shop, so I didn't care.
Look at these juices. Juices with a twist. There's ABC but with turmeric. So this is my meal: strawberry nectar, apple, and pear, and a brownie. And they're famous, actually most for their juices. And this is a couscous dish. And that's pretty much it. Whole tour of Village Nature Paris in the day. So in the day, deceivingly, they look like almost real rocks, but at night they light up and beautify the garden. Very